Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School and this school situated in Gulna Bazar. Now we are going today in class 4, we are going to learn topic subtraction, and on last day we have learned many topics related to addition, that was addition of bigger numbers and adding large numbers, estimating the sum and story sums and addition fact. Many more topics we have learned in addition. Now today we are going to learn topic subtracting of 4-digit number. Okay, so the first topic, subtracting of 4-digit numbers. Subtracting of 4-digit number. Subtracting of 4-digit number. Subtracting of 4-digit number. Okay, in subtracting 4-digit number, first topic is subtraction without regrouping, and second one is subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. And second topic is subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping. Let's come on the topic subtraction without regrouping. How we can subtract bigger numbers without regrouping, and this topic we are going to learn. Firstly, there is an example given. There is an example, subtract 3074. Subtract 3074. Subtract 3074 from 5689. 5689. So firstly write in columns, that is thousand, tens, thousand, hundreds, hundred, tens and ones. Now that is 5689 minus 3074. That is, firstly we have to subtract ones places, so 9 ones minus 4 ones, that is 5, and subtract tens places, 8 tens minus 7 tens, that is 1 ten. And now subtract the 100 places, 600 minus 000, that is 600. And now subtract the 1000 places, 5000 minus 3000, that is 2000. So the answer is 2650. 9 ones minus 4 ones, that is 5 ones. 8 tens minus 7 tens, that is 1 ten. 600 minus 000, that is 600. And 5000 minus 3000, that is 2000. And now come on the topic subtraction. Subtraction with regrouping. And in subtraction with regrouping, find the difference between. There is an example. Find the difference between. Find the difference. Find the difference between. Find the difference between 8623 and 8623 and 4247. In 8623 and 4247, 8623 is larger and 4247 is smaller. So we have to write 1000, tens, ones, 1000, 100, thousand, hundred, and here tens and ones. Firstly, we have to write bigger number, that is 8623, and after that we have to write a smaller number, that is 4247. And now subtract it. Firstly, we have to subtract the ones. So here subtract the ones. 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 3 ones. 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 3 ones. So regroup 2 tens 3 ones into 1 10 and 13 ones. And now subtract the ones. 13 ones minus 7 ones, that is 6 ones. And here 4 10 cannot be subtracted from 110. So regroup 600 110 into 500 and 1110. 511 10. And now subtract 1110 minus 410, that is 710. And now come on the 100 place, that is 500 minus 200, that is 300. And here 8000 minus 4000, that is 4000. So the answer is 4376. Listen carefully how we have to solve it. 7 ones cannot be subtracted from 3 ones. So regroup 2 tens 3 ones into 1 tens and 13 ones. And now subtract the 13 ones minus 7 ones, that is 6 ones. And here 4 tens cannot be subtracted from 1 ten. So regroup 600 110 into 500 11 tens. And now subtract 4 tens from 11 tens, that is 7 tens. And now here 500 minus 200, that is 300. And 8000 minus 4000, that is 4000. That is answer is 4376. Now the next topic is subtracting large numbers. Subtracting large numbers. Subtracting large numbers. In this topic, there are also two topics: subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping, subtraction without regrouping, subtraction without regrouping, and subtraction with regrouping, and subtraction with regrouping, with regrouping. Subtraction without regrouping and subtraction with regrouping. That is, first topic is subtraction without regrouping. So come on this topic, and example is subtract. The example is subtract 20,140. Subtract 20,140 from 20,140 from 41,262. 262. Write in columns, that is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Firstly, we have to write 41,262. 41,262 minus 20,140. Now subtract it. 2 ones minus 0 ones, that is 2 ones. And 6 tens minus 4 tens, that is 2 tens. 200s minus 100, that is 100. And 1,000 minus 0,000, that is 1,000. And 4 10,000 minus 2 10,000, that is 2 10,000. Firstly, we have to subtract the ones. So 2 ones minus 0 ones, that is 2 ones. Now subtract the tens. 6 tens minus 4 tens, that is 2 tens. Now subtract the 100. 200 minus 100, that is 100. Now subtract the 1,000. 1,000 minus 0,000, that is 1,000. And now subtract the 10,000, that is 4 10,000 minus 2 10,000, that is 2,000. 10,000. Okay, and now come on the next topic, that is subtraction with regrouping. And there is an example given. Subtract 2079. Subtract 2079 from 13,400. So 10,000, 100, tens and ones. Firstly, 13,477 minus 2079. Now subtract the ones firstly subtract the ones. 9 ones cannot be subtracted from 7 ones. So regroup 7 tens 7 ones into 6 tens and 17 ones. Now subtract 17 ones minus 9 ones, that is 8 ones. Okay, 17 ones minus 9 ones, that is 8 ones. And now 7 tens cannot be subtracted from 6 tens. So regroup 406 tens into 316 tens. Now subtract 16 tens minus 7 tens, that is 9 tens. Okay, and now subtract 1000 places 300 minus 000, that is 300. And now 3000 minus 2000, that is 1000, and 10,000 minus 10,000, that is 1,000. So the answer is 11,398. So the answer is 11,398. Now the next question is, firstly we have to learn how we have 9 ones cannot be subtracted from 7 ones. So regroup 7 tens 7 ones into 6 tens 17 ones. And now 17 ones minus 9 ones, that is 8 ones. And here 7 tens cannot be subtracted from 6 tens. So regroup 4 tens 6 tens 406 tens into 316 tens. And now 16 tens minus 7 tens, that is 9 tens. And here 300 minus 000, that is 300. And 3000 minus 2000, that is 1000. And 10,000 minus 10,000, that is 1,000. And now the next example subtract 10,823. Subtract 10,823 from 27,501. 27,501. Write in columns 10,000, 1,000, 100, 100, tens and ones. That number is 27,501 minus 10,823. Now subtract it. Firstly we have to subtract ones places. 3 ones cannot be subtracted from 1 ones. So and 0 tens cannot be regroup. So regroup 500 0 tens into 400 and 10 ones. And after that subtract 10 ones 0 ones into 9 ones 9 tens and 11 ones. 9 tens and 11 ones. And now that is 11 ones minus 3 ones, that is 8 ones. And now 9 tens minus 2 tens, that is 7 tens. And 800 cannot be subtracted from 400. So regroup 7,400 into 6,000 and 1,400. Now 1,400 minus 800, that is 600. And here 6,000 minus 0,000, that is 6,000. And here 10,000 minus 1,10,000, that is 1,000. Once again listen carefully. 3 ones cannot be subtracted from 1 ones and 0 tens cannot be regrouped. Okay, so regroup 500 0 tens into 400s and 10 ones. 10 tens, sorry. And now 10 tens 0 ones, regroup 10 tens 0 ones into 9 10 and 11 ones. Okay, so that is 11 ones minus 3 ones, that is 8 ones. And 9 tens minus 2 tens, that is 7 tens. And here 800 cannot be subtracted from 400. So regroup 7,400 into 6,000, 1400. And now 1400 minus 800, that is 600. And here 6,000 minus 0,000, that is 6,000, and 2 10,000 minus 1 10,000, that is 1,000. 1 10,000. Thank you for watching the video. Keep continue it. Bye bye. Good night. Sorry, good day.